Hi everyone, in this chapter we are going to talk about how to set up the user's internal power plans in a PCB. First, open up a PCB file. At the bottom of the interface, in the Layer tab, you can click on the Layer Manager pop-up. Or you can go up to the Tool menu and open the Layer Manager. Once it's open, you will see that by default we only have two copper layers, top and bottom. Now let's switch to a 4-layer board. The system will automatically add two internal layers. On these internal layers, you can click to rename them and also choose their type. If you set it as a single layer, you can route traces on it just like the top or bottom. If you set it as plain zone, then it works differently. You can draw traces freely. Instead, you divide it into regions using boundary lines. So what's special about a plain zone? Its copper is basically one big sheet, and you just carve out regions with dividing lines. Compared to manually flooding copper, it's cleaner and much faster to rebuild. Once you confirm, you'll see the new plain zone appear. Here you can split areas with polylines, X, rectangles, or circles. One important note, if you don't see the copper zone on the plane, check whether your board outline is fully closed. Only when the outline is closed can the plane regions be generated. After you finish dividing, select a region and click Rebuild Plane. The system will then update it into separate copper areas. At this point, you can assign them to different names. For example, one area for 3v3, another area for GND. If you need to carve out an empty section, just place Prohibited Region, draw it. Set it to Plain Zone in Prohibited option, then rebuild. And that area of copper will be removed. Similarly, if you want to isolate a circular or rectangular area, just draw the shape, set its type to Outline Object, and rebuild. Finally, if you ever want to change a plain zone back to a signal layer, make sure you delete everything on that layer first. Only then can you switch it in the Layer Manager, otherwise the system will throw an error. And that's the complete workflow for setting up, building, and modifying plain zone in your PCB design.